Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to change your age in Discord. So there is no manual way to change your name on Discord, but you could go to your browser right here and I'll show you how. Search for Discord support, just like so, and click on the Discord support here. And once you're on the website, click on submit a request right here. And as you can see, there will be an option to click here and what can we help you with. So find this one, the appeals and age update request. So click on that and you need to put your email address associated with your Discord account. So just like so, and here click on update my age information, and you could put on your phone number, and that is optional. And now you could put here your date of birth, after that the subject, and here on the description you could just give a brief overview, or of course as description, so what your problem is or something like that. And now after you're done, you could confirm that you've read these instructions here and click on the checkbox. You could also add a file right here to support your requests or problem so that they could verify it more easily. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.